front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Then scroll down again, click on one-handed mode feature and tap on the switcher to activate it. Then you need to scroll down just a bit and pick one of those features to reduce display size with. Gesture or button. I will go with buttons, I have to click on it and follow those instructions. Double tap the home button. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can change placement of it by tapping on this arrow at the top or left or right side, but you can also hold this line here and drag it whenever you wish to. When you're ready to go back, click on the blurry area, and if you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!